Water is filled in a rectangular tank of size 3 meter, 2 meter and 1 meter. A. Find the total force exerted by the water on the bottom of the tank. Consider the vertical side of 2 meter into 1 meter. Take a horizontal strip of delta x in this side situated at depth x meter from the surface of water. Find the force on this strip. Find the torque of force calculated in part B about the bottom edge of this side. Find the total force by the water on this side. Find the total torque of water on the side about bottom edge. Neglect atmospheric pressure and take G is 10 meter per second square. तो टैंक है रेक्टेंगुलर टैंक, उसकी लेंथ इज 3 मीटर, breadth is 2 meter and height is 1 meter. Tank की height is 1 meter. And base, this is base, is 3 meter into 2 meter. Part A. Find the total force exerted by water on the bottom of tank. A. Pressure at bottom P is rho GH, 1000 into 10 into H is 1, 10,000 Newton per meter square. Base area, area of the base A is length into breadth, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 meter square. The force on the bottom force exerted by water on the bottom. This is P into A. 10,000 into 6, 60,000 Newton. Part B. Consider a vertical side of area 2 meter, 1 meter. Take a horizontal strip of width delta x in this side situated at depth x meter from the surface of water. Find the force on this strip. अगर हम फ्रंट से देखें जो साइड है इसकी 2 मीटर ब्रेड की तरफ, This is breadth is 2 meter and height is 1 meter. इस पर एक डेल्टा एक्स विड्थ की हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप की स्ट्रिप ली हमने डेल्टा एक्स विड्थ की, विड्थ इज डेल्टा एक्स, इसकी डेप्थ फ्रॉम टॉप इज एक्स. एरिया ऑफ स्ट्रिप A is B into delta x or 2 delta x. Pressure on the strip will be rho g h, or h, and h is equal to x. 1000 into 10 into x, 10,000 x Newton per meter square. Force on strip, this is P. F is equal to P into A, 10,000 x into 2 delta x, 20,000 x delta x Newton. C part. Find the torque of force calculated in part B about the bottom of the S. तो this force जो स्ट्रिप पर फोर्स होगी that will be in horizontal direction. अगर this is horizontal and perpendicular to this strip, F की डायरेक्शन है, this is horizontal. इसकी डिस्टेंस F की from this bottom is 1 minus x. The torque will be F into distance R and 20,000 x delta x and R is 1 minus x Newton meter. तो जो टॉर्क होगा that is 20,000 1 minus x delta x 1 minus x. D part. Find the total force of water on this side. This is 2 meter. अगर सामने से देखें and height is 1 meter. ये साइड से देखें this is 1 meter. The area of this side is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2 मीटर स्क्वायर. जो टॉप जो प्रेशर होता है P प्रेशर का फॉर्मूला होता है प्रेशर इज रो जी एच. तो टॉप सरफेस पर टॉप ऑफ साइड pressure at top of site will be rho g. H is 0, rho g, or 1000. This is 0. Pressure at bottom of this site will be rho g. H is 2 meter. 1000 into 10 into 2, 20,000 Newton per meter square. Average pressure on this side will be average 0 plus 20,000 by 2, 10,000. एवरेज प्रेशर है 10,000. This is height. Height is 1 meter. 10,000. This is 10,000. This is 5,000 Newton per meter square. The average pressure on this side is 5,000 and area is 2 meter square. So force on side, this side will be average pressure into area of site. Average pressure is 5,000 and side is 2. So 10,000 Newton force will be on this side. 10,000. E. Find the total torque by the water on this side about the bottom of the edge. As per D part, total force is 10,000 on this side. साइड है, साइड का अगर सामने से देखें, दिस इज डेप्थ 1 मीटर. अपर साइड में प्रेशर, अगर प्रेशर डायग्राम खींचें तो यहाँ पर प्रेशर इज 0 एंड बॉटम पर प्रेशर था bottom per pressure is average pressure was 5,000 Newton per meter square and this is 0 Newton per meter square. जो फोर्स है that will act on the center CG of this triangle. CG is, this is force acting on this side is 10,000 न्यूटन। जो इसकी हाइट होगी यहाँ से, दिस इज 1/3 ऑफ डेप्थ, 1/3 इंटू एच या 1/3 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 1/3 मीटर। तो टोर्क, तो डी पार्ट में ई पार्ट टोर्क होगा 10,000 into distance from bottom 1/3 meter, or 10,000 by 3 Newton meter, or 3.33 Newton meter about the bottom.